The relationship between love and sleep is intriguing, as being with a partner can make you feel drowsy due to various physiological and emotional factors. Physical contact with your loved one triggers the release of oxytocin, the love hormone, which helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Additionally, being close to your partner reduces cortisol levels, promoting relaxation, while synchronization of heartbeats and breathing enhances feelings of connection and trust. Co-sleeping can foster a sense of emotional safety, making it easier to open up about feelings and anxieties, while your partner's scent and voice can provide soothing comfort. However, boredom or routine in a relationship can also contribute to feelings of sleepiness. Ultimately, love affects sleep quality and overall well-being, with couples experiencing benefits such as lower blood pressure and reduced stress.